Hello and welcome to our class, Systems and Administration and Maintenance. So for today's video I will be talking about your last module for Prefinals, which is the networking in Linux. Note, this presentation is also a text-based and an audio-based. All of the spoken words and the full source of this lesson will be provided in the video description down below, so kindly check the link on it. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will not miss out our future videos like this. You can watch the other playlist for systems administration and computer programming specialized subjects for your Bachelor of Science in Information Technology second semester subjects in the link description box below. Hope you enjoyed video like this. Computer network, it is a collection of computers and computing resources connected together to facilitate communication between resources. To establish network access, you need to do the following: have a network interface that connects to your network access point. The most common network interface is an Ethernet device. This might be an Ethernet card to connect your computer to a LAN, which is a wired connection, or wireless card, run your network services. The most important service is network. Others include the firewall service, interface device services, network authentication services, and network file system services. Have access to a network broadcast device. Network broadcast devices fall into four categories. Hub broadcasts the message it receives to all devices on the subnet where it operates. Switch broadcasts the message it receives to a single device on the subnetwork using a MAC address for addressing. Router examines a message's destination IP address and routes the message onto the proper network or subnetwork as the next link in the chain of the communication. Gateway connects local area networks of different types together. TCP and IP has four layers. Network interface layer, network access layer, is responsible for placing TCP, IP packets on the network medium and receiving TCP, IP packets off the network medium. Internet layer is responsible for addressing, packaging, and routing functions. It consists of four core protocols. Internet protocol, IP, is responsible for IP addressing, routing, and the fragmentation and reassembly of packets. Address resolution protocol, the API, is responsible for the resolution of the internet layer address to the network interface layer, such as a hardware address. Internet control message protocol, ICMP, is responsible for providing diagnostic functions and reporting errors due to the unsuccessful delivery of IP packets. Internet Group Management Protocol, IGMP, is responsible for the management of IP multicast groups. Transport layer is responsible for providing the application layer with session and datagram communication services. Its core protocols are: Transmission Control Protocol, TCP, is responsible for establishment of a TCP connection, the sequencing and acknowledging of packets sent, and the recovery of packets lost during transmission. User Datagram Protocol, UDP, is used when the amount of data to be transferred is small, when the overhead of establishing a TCP connection is not desired, or when the applications or upper layer protocols provide reliable delivery. Application layer allows applications to access the services of the other layers and defines the protocols that applications use to exchange data. The most widely known application layer protocols are used for exchange of user information. Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP, is used to transfer files that make up the web pages of the World Wide Web. File Transfer Protocol, FTP, is used for interactive file transfer. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, SMTP, is used for the transfer of mail. Messages and attachments. Telnet is a terminal emulation protocol used for logging on remotely to network hosts. Protocols listed below are used in facilitating the use and management of TCP/IP networks. Domain Name System, DNS, is used to resolve a host name to an IP address. Routing Information Protocol, RIP, is used by routers to exchange routing information on an IP internetwork. Simple Network Management Protocol, SNMP, is used to collect and exchange network management information between a network management console and network devices. Networking commands, Ping sends a special network packet called an ICMP echo_request to network hosts. Traceroute/tracepath prints the route packets trace to a network host. IP shows/manipulates routing devices, policy routing, then tunnels. Netstat prints network connections, routing tables, interface statistics, masquerade connections, and multicast memberships. FTP Internet File Transfer Program, GET Non-Interactive Network Downloader, SSH, OpenSSH SSH Client, Remote Login Program.